Morning everyone. Today I have a beautiful house to show you. It's a Cibeles. It's really nice. It's just behind me is the roundabout, and across that is the golf club, so you can just walk across and have a bevy and some food and that. Really nice. So this is the Cibeles. It has off-road parking there, and you got a pedestrian gate. So guys, I've just come inside and you have got a fish pond there, which is quite nice, and you have a lovely decorative chair. You can sit there and read a book in the sunshine. It's really nice, and there is a bit of a fountain there as well. You go up a couple of steps here, you've got a very decorative balustrade with decorative tiles here, like those Andalusian tiles, and this brings you out into the garden. And I'm going to show you around the garden first. These light up beautifully at night as well. So just here you have a gate, so if you got a pet or anything like that, you can keep it from going out into the garden. So this is really nice. You got an area over there where you can sit, and you got your umbrella, you have shade, you got your pool cover and that just over there. This is a lovely pool as well, and you got another area here just by. You've also got these lovely blossoms that are out at the moment. Really beautiful. There's your little Buddha there. Now this is called the Bat and Ball. So this is your own bar here, which is really nice. So we go up and you got seats for 5 or 6 people around the bar, and you have an outside kitchen there as well. Nice little place there to sit down. And I'm just going to bring you around here and have a look. Just above here, of course, is your dartboard. So you could have friends and family around and really enjoy an evening here in this property. So just inside, you've got your wine rack there, your fridge and your optics. Everything you could possibly want in a bar. You got plenty of base units as well, and your worktop, and it's looking over the garden there. You've also got spotlights in the ceiling here, and of course these decorative, they're like Christmas lights, but when it's all lit up it's really beautiful. So I'm going to show you now the kitchen, outside kitchen area. You have this insect screen here. So I've just come in here. So this is your outside kitchen, as you can see. So you got plenty of top and base units. You got a sink and drainer. You got a gas hob, electric oven. You got a dishwasher, microwave, toaster, fridge, freezer. Your barbecues, all there. A freezer. You got everything you could possibly want, and you got a nice big dining table. So you're all ready for outside dining. And just there, they have got shutters, but they have the insect blinds, and you've got the glass curtains. So I'll just bring you around and out again past this wonderful bar, just to show you the glass curtains here. So as you can see, you can open them up, and I've spent a lot on this property, as you can tell. And you have lovely established plants and trees. Beautiful roses here. Absolutely stunning. As you can see, you have your shower here. You have lights along the walls, and the walls are raised for privacy. So it's quite private here, you know. So I think I may have spent too much time in this beautiful garden, so let's go in and have a look around the main house for you. You would say, Marie, hurry up and get into the house, because the main house is just as beautiful. They have an absolutely fabulous kitchen. Wait till you see this one. And just in the front terrace then, you have a pool table. So plenty of areas for leisure here, you know. You could be living the dream in this property. So it is all enclosed, and you've got those beautiful Valentine bricks around the windows. And you have doors out there to the washing machine and the tumble dryer and to the carport. Up there you've got your ceiling light and fan. So now we're just going in here. Now usually there's a kind of a vestibule in the Cibeles, but they have changed it around and they've put doors there which make it nice and cozy, totally unusual. So this house is very unique in the way it's laid out. So I'll show you the kitchen area. So this is where the men like to be, in the kitchen. Because men make the best chefs, don't they? So it's a beautiful red kitchen, as you can see, with spotlights. Absolutely fantastic. You've got this beautiful island. You've got this really large double sink here. And you've got this beautiful granite worktop with a bit of a fleck on it. You've got the 6-ring gas hob and you've got the electric oven. You've also got your integrated microwave over there and your extractor hood just above there. American style fridge and plenty of units and your worktop. Right, you've got that beautiful island here as well. And just above you've got these lovely spotlights. I would normally go out there, but I'm gonna steer off and go into the living room for you. Now normally a Cibeles, like I said, has a vestibule and this room, but they've put these doors in here, beautiful doors, look at them. And this makes this so much cozier. It's really lovely. So you have got dual aspect windows here. You've got your aircon and you've got your central heating. You've also got a log burner fire over there. So you've got different sources of heating. You've got your central heating here. You've got your log burner over there. And just above, you've got your dual aircon there. You've got your ceiling light and fan. And this is a really beautiful living space. All right, so I'm going to take you in to the bedrooms now. Now you've got the archway and we go into the master bedroom first. So the master bedroom has dual aspect windows. You've got central heating under each window and you have your aircon. You've also got your ceiling light and fan. I'm going to pan around for you guys. And you've got his and her wardrobes in here. Beautiful, beautiful home this is. And just through this little link corridor to your ensuite, you've got another integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. So plenty of wardrobes here. And just in here is your ensuite. I'll put the lights on. Sometimes they flicker on the camera, I'm afraid. So you have your bath there. You got your WC, your bidet and your sink and pedestal. And you got your central heating here as well. Okay, so that's your ensuite. I'll just come out and we'll go down the corridor here. Up here is your shower room. So you've got a shower there, you've got your sink and pedestal, and you've got your WC. Again, you have your central heating, and both bathrooms are tiled from ceiling to floor. Just in here is another bedroom. So you've got your ceiling light and fan. You've got your windows there with your insect screens and your wreckers. Your central heating radiators under the window. You've got your aircon. And you've got, if I turn around, you've got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. So good sized bedroom. You can put a double bed in here, guys. So let's walk in here. I've missed a bedroom as I was coming around. That's not like me, is it? So just here you've got a ceiling light and fan, aircon and central heating under the window. On the window, you have your records and your insect screens. You've also got TV points there as well. So you put a television up for yourselves. And this holds a nice double bed as well. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Some people like to use this as an office, but it does take a double bed. And as you say, there's plenty of room just there as well. Okay, it also has that integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. So let's go through, and I'm going to bring you out and we'll have a look at the kitchen again. So as we come back into this fabulous kitchen, I'm just going through the door over here. This kitchen is beautiful. What do you think, guys? Do comment below what you think of this lovely kitchen. I think it's stunning myself. So I'm going to just go through here. And this brings us out into a nice little area here where you could just sit and, you know, I could see myself sitting here with a glass of wine talking to friends in the evening. So I think this is a nice space here. And again, you've got central heating out here as well. Beautifully tiled. I think they're Andalusian tiles with the Valentine bricks around the windows. Really lovely. You go through that door and it brings you up to the rooftop solarium. I'll have a look at that in a moment. Beautiful delf on the wall there. So I'm just going to come out these doors here, and this brings you out onto a nice shaded terrace just out here. It's nice and cool. It is the 11th of February now, and it's quite so warm here. It's unreal, because it's just like a British summer day here, you know. It's really lovely. You've got your washing machine and your tumble dryer there. Just down there, down the steps, you have your off-road parking, and it is sheltered from the sun. So I'll go downstairs, guys. And of course, just here it's gated as well. And look at this lemon tree, full of juicy lemons for your ice and a slice. And then this brings you back to the bar again, okay? But I'm going to take you upstairs now. I'll walk back around and we go up to the rooftop solarium. So I'm just giving you some context, guys, of where I am now in the property, and I'm about to bring you up to the rooftop solarium. You may have heard a little bit of banging in the background. So the guys next door, they're just upgrading the pool area, as you can see. So that is why there's a little bit of banging going on while I'm doing the video. Nothing to concern yourselves about. So I'm just coming up here to the rooftop solarium. It's a nice little private area if you wanted to sunbathe. You know, you have got storage here. And some people just put their suitcases and whatever there. But I'll just go to the front here. As you can see some beautiful views all around. And the golf course is just over there. But guys, what do you think of this villa? This is beautiful. It's really opposite. Literally 5-10 minute walk across the road and you're in the golf club. But you don't need to go over there for entertainment. You can have all your entertainment you want right here on your doorstep, because you have this fabulous pool area. You've got an outside kitchen, fabulous bar to die for. You got a darts board. You got a pool table just inside the conservatory there. The kitchen inside the property is stunning. It's just stunning. So the whole house has been redone. It's really beautiful, and I think it's worth a look. So if you're into entertaining family and friends, this may be the property for you. So don't forget to put the reference number of this property along with your contact details when you contact them at info@tolet-to-sell-to-buy.com. So until the next time, guys, don't forget to share this property, because somebody out there will love it. And don't forget to like. So until the next time, have an amazing day. Take care.